do you think is the best way to fix American healthcare?
I do think that Medicare for All would solve a number of issues, especially with unbundling healthcare from our employment.
Hmm.
When healthcare and employment are bundled together and you lose your job, then you lose your healthcare, which may mean that you or a family member is at risk of losing your life because it changes a lot of things and it changes them quickly. You may not be able to see the same doctors you were seeing before and get that continuity of care. And we know that continuity of care is hugely important with people facing chronic disease, chronic pain, injuries, all kinds of issues. And when that's tied to your job, people are more likely to stay in a job that doesn't serve them well, where they're exploited to the point that it takes a toll on their lives because they're trying to keep health care. And I think in today's world, we can do better than that. And maybe Medicare for All is not the solution. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a hybrid program of something. I know the Affordable Care Act has expanded some things in the last couple of years, and they've lowered some premiums. They've lowered some prescription prices. Um, but again, we're stuck with that piece where not every doctor's covered. If you lose a job and you're on the healthcare marketplace, it's difficult to navigate. It's difficult to figure out if you're covered, when you're covered, where you're covered. And I think simplifying that would do everyone a greater service. And like I said, maybe it's not Medicare for all, but certainly GoFundMe is not a solution to high healthcare bills. And losing your house and your savings and any quality of life that you've built is not an answer to the fact that you get sick, because people get sick, and that's the reality.